Hello, welcome to my channel. For those who are coming back, it's a pleasure to have you back, and for those who are new, I hope you stick to the end of this video because it's going to be a brief and informative video that might definitely help you save money if you're looking to visit in Riga. What do I do on this channel? I do just travel vlogs. I talk about traveling, and if traveling is your thing, definitely this is where you have to be because I'm in Riga and I'll be doing a lot of travel vlogs when it comes to Riga. So make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video to anyone that you think is a fan of traveling. Added to that, if you are here, you are either a fan of boat rides or cruises, or most especially you're a fan of traveling and you're looking to have the best experience when it comes to cruises in Riga. Not just have the best experience, but also save some money. And I'm here to give you tips on how to do just that. So stick to the video and let's go. The Riga Canal Rides gives you an exclusive journey through the city center, permitting you to have a different panoramic view of the city other than what you see on a daily basis. This experience does not just challenge you mentally but also physically because you have to hold on for one exclusive hour. And it's not just 1 hour, it's exclusive hour of touring around the city. For some, 1 hour sounds really much because I can confidently tell you that you won't even notice when the ride is over and you will wish to have for more. In this video, I will briefly give you some tips on how to have the perfect experience during this ride, and I'll be focusing on 3 main things: the cost, the location, and the experience. Firstly, we are going to be talking about the location. How do you get to these locations? If you arrive in Riga by bus from a different city, and you will definitely be arriving at this Riga Central bus station. Also, if you're arriving by air, you might take a Riga City bus, which is going to drop you at the Auto Stop bus station. All these 2 locations are closer to each other. Now, how do you get to the cruises location? You might have to take maybe a 10 to 15 minutes walk, which is basically nothing compared to other destinations which you have to walk longer than that. First, you have to need to locate the Freedom Monument. From the Freedom Monument, you might use that as a point of reference for you to get to the cruises. Standing at the Freedom Monument, on your right, you might have to walk, let's say 10 to 15 meters, and then you are going to find the Riga cruises. Nevertheless, 5 meters away from that, you have the Daugava Riga cruises, which I would definitely recommend you don't close your eyes on them. As a traveler, you are looking to save money as much as you can, and this takes us to the second point, which is cost. You have 2 main cruises to choose from, which is the Riga cruise and the Daugava Riga cruise. The Riga cruise is 18 euros for adults and 50 euros discounted for students. And for the Daugava Riga cruise is 15 euros for adults and 10 euros discounted for students. So choosing on which cruise to have during your stay in Riga depends all on your budget and how much you're ready to spend. And I'll be giving you reasons why you should choose any of them in the next point. Also, it's good to know that the Riga cruises work from 10 a.m. to 8 p.m. in the evening. So you have the time to choose whenever you want, during the sunsets, during the early morning. It's all left to you. Taking us to the third part and the last point, which is experience. As a traveler, we all want to have a memorable experience which we can keep, which we can explain to others, which we will look back to having again. And I can definitely assure you that any of these cruises can give you the best experience which you need. Be it the Daugava Riga cruise, be it the Riga cruise, all of them give you the same experience. It's the same itinerary and it's the same documentation because the captains take the time to explain to you the memorable spots in the country. So if you're looking to have a great experience, I think I won't have any preference for any of them. Both of them are going to assure you the best experience. So it's all left to you. So you have 3 options. You have the location, they are all located almost close to each other. The experience, they give almost the same experience, and the cost, which is the only difference between both of them. Now it's all left to you depending on the availability of any of the cruises because they have different timings. Maybe when you want to go is when Daugava Riga cruise is available, or maybe when Riga cruise is available. So it's going to depend all on you, on which one you'll be choosing. So guys, let me know which one are you going to be choosing if you are looking forward to visiting Riga in the comment section. So we have come to the end of this video. Let me know what you like and what you did not like. because I'm looking forward to improving. I'm looking forward to bringing a lot of content when it comes to traveling in Riga and around the EU, because I'll be doing some trips around EU for as much as I can afford, and I'll be looking to documenting every experience I have. If you are new to the channel, make sure to subscribe, make sure to like, and maybe make sure to share it to someone that you think this information is very vital. If you have any place in Riga that you're looking forward to me covering, let me know in the comment section, and trust me, I'm going to do just that. Just let me know any place that you will want to have content on, and I'll be doing just that. Before I forget, I made a detailed video about the Riga cruise, full experience, detailing from start to end, and it has a lot of, oh my god, you won't want to miss that. So just click on the link above and go watch the next video. See you on my next video, and ciao, take care.